morning, all children, all viewers, the subscribers, and all my friends in the Facebook. In the last class, connected with the subject of basic mathematics, I had shown a new technique of writing the spelling of mathematics. Once again, for your attention, once again I am introducing the same concept. An easy way is being writing key like this, mat in between these two. This degree is being ICS. So it will become mathematics. The subject of mathematics can be regarded in the different viewpoints. Today, I am introducing before you the different type of the number system that we are using in mathematics. We know in arithmetic calculations, we are taking the numbers from 0 to 9 and all the details that are associated with it. For the specific study of mathematics, it is customary to divide the numbers into different categories. I will just write the different type of the numbers, namely the first one, natural numbers. Natural numbers are in otherwise called the counting numbers. Then among these, odd natural numbers. Numbers. Then even natural numbers. So natural numbers, or otherwise called counting numbers, then odd natural numbers, even natural numbers, composite numbers, then prime numbers, then sets. So once again, for the basic study of mathematics, the natural numbers, otherwise called counting numbers, then among these, the odd natural numbers, the even natural numbers, composite numbers, prime numbers, perfect squares, perfect squares. These are the basic divisions. There are also some other divisions of the numbers for a student in the primary class. For the students dealing with the primary class, at least these numbers will be borne in mind. For a better understanding, here another type of the numbers is being called the whole numbers. Whole numbers. Then there is all the number system are depicted in another way called another line. And the 0 is the dividing line in between the negatives and positives. here on the right side. 1,